If your Instagram Explore page looks anything like mine, you're probably seeing a bunch of content that isn't relevant to you, or you're seeing the same type of content over and over, which isn't ideal either. So how do you go about resetting your Instagram Explore page? Now, unlike on TikTok, Instagram doesn't have a button that you can click that magically resets the content suggestions on your Explore page, but there are a couple of things that you can manually do to get fresh content ideas on your Explore page. And that is what we are looking at in this video, so let's get to it.